Irengbam Hemochandra, a senior Congress leader and former minister who even held the speaker post, has tendered his resignation from the primary membership of the Congress party. He announced this during a press conference held today at Tangjing Hall of Manipur Press Club. Hemochandra said he had decided to leave the party not on personal interest, but cited several changes taking place in the party. The senior politician further said Congress party is like a sinking ship and sees no future with the party. Hemochandra further said leaving Congress party will not bring any changes in his political career and will continue to work for the people and the state.
Congress party asida chahi isagi chahi kunmanga kuntaruk to subada ngairingaidagi yaujarakpa party aduga masigi party asidagi ngasidagi hak tokchare resignation gi letter asisu sida leire Congress party tolei bise karigino haibu ai free oining I want to speak as a free man. Hayeng Congress party the leina ai Congress party firan makham de leita ga ai ngonda athingba ngonda punba yam lei Manipur se masida ai koina sida prachar tawna ama tawna da tawna ina vote usik election na lepoidna adumda pamdabagi ai adugi maramdagi tokchabani yamna sanaba matamgi aina phumga lakpa khangdana lakpa poda se madugi khangbagi langdai adu lanthorokpa adugi khangba yabagi shakti ado adu palladu karakpane na lawbusu yai chahi chamagi matakta suru party ni na koni am hiring asi adu kadai the vision leirige ba mi ni phu na karama party do ngasi manga da haidare adagi sum ama chakhi ani chakhi ahum chakhi kanam lehodre ngasi